Guys, hi guys. But first we start. We're gonna start. First we start. Just like and comment for 5 seconds, or in real life will be Minecraft. So there. So how to make an heaven portal? So there. There and there and there. I like it. So just put a hole in here because the water will go flow. Pack it, pack it, pack. That should help. So wow, it will work now. It didn't work at all. So let's make another. It's not like that. Sorry. Hey you, it's not working right now. Okay. So there. So there, and put some torch here so that the sand breaks. The higher that you can. The higher as we can, and put some one craft block. I mean, nanny, just nanny. Just make it. But yeah. Now where is that thing? Get some bone. And where did that? There, and let it just big. There. Now that. This. And some torch. So it will be good. There. So we just fancy flower, but get out first. So there. There, now it's done. Let's go down and then stop. Whoa, it's so satisfying. So let's get in. So we're on the right, and let's go back. So voila, we're on heaven. See, there we go. There, look. Wow. Go. Voila. No. This is my first. Hey, no. Stop. Get back on the other. Get back on my home. So it really works. So it's so great. It really works. And this is just, it didn't work. So there's the heaven. Let's go to heaven. Why on your hell? I mean heaven. What? Fell down? Whoa, did you? So bye bye guys. This portal is so great. So before end, we're gonna before we end, just like and subscribe before we end in 5 seconds, or this creeper will come to your house and get out. Get out, you. Get out. I'm gonna ignite you. I'm gonna ignite you. Yay, it broke. No, this is the heavens. So bye guys. This is the best heaven ever.